What's up guys, Sasha here, welcome to the channel. We finally got the Hasport engine mounts here for the K series right there, yes, and we finally got those parts here. Waited about 4 months on them. I'm gonna get them out a little bit and show you what's all included. I did a little research here for the brake line kit. Hush Performance makes some new brake lines for here. I might gonna get them. This has got to get out of our way. The filter for now, we're gonna probably install that somewhere later, and we definitely have to get this piece out right here, which is going to be very tricky with this screw down there in the bottom. So today I'm going to try to get this out, remove the old engine mount right here, the filter we're going to get out. We're going to get all the stuff here a little bit more out of our way, and we also get the shifters deinstalled and get this out of our way too. Yeah, let's get started. There is a very tricky spot right there. I don't know if you can see down there, there is a screw all the way there. So I'm trying with my ratchet set to get in there somehow, that we can get on that screw down there. Let's see how we can get this open. So this screw here is very difficult. As you maybe just seen, I tried to get what's the smallest ratchet set down there. You can't get to it. I really do not want to take all this off. That whole beam there, I really don't want to take it off. So maybe have to see if I can get myself some special tools or a different way. Find out how to remove it. The difficulty is you don't have much room. That is really the difficulty. Well, something can go easy for once. Previous owner did not weld this all the way in again, so that probably would have came loose anyway if there would have been an engine on there. Big part right here is the one in the back. I don't know if I can get it out like this. I probably have to use a grinder and cut it. Try to get an angle on there where I can cut it, or with another type of saw, and see if we can get on that screw. It's very difficult to get on there. So here we got learning experience. I did not know that. Probably didn't even have to cut this, but it was definitely a lot easier. You probably, when this is put together, well, it was like this, kind of, sorta. You might have enough room to get on there, but I don't know if you can press this out. If you can press this out and you have enough room to get on there with a ratchet. So yeah, I didn't know that, so now I know. But it's gone. That's the main thing, because we gotta put the other piece on here. I'm gonna clean all this up and spray that a little bit with some zinc spray. I'll probably have to remove this guy too. Look at that, we find some more shit, whatever that is. So that's out. We're going to remove the fuel and get the transmission cables out. I'm gonna swap this next, take this guy out. So, and then we're almost ready to get this prepped for the engine. So now we gotta get all this removed here so we can get onto the shifter cables. Did not want to remove the entire exhaust, but I'll probably have to. It's probably easier just to get rid of this whole exhaust to get on them screws up there. So exhaust is out, shifter is out. We're gonna see, there used to be another shifter box installed under here. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna reuse that or if I'm gonna use the RSX shifter that I got from Hybrid Racing. I'm intending to go with the Hybrid Racing shifter, but we're gonna see what we're gonna do. Next on the list is we're gonna take this big guy out here in the front. We'll see if we can get that out and get the other one installed, and then we should be so far ready to drop the engine in one time and see what else needs to get out of the way here. And yeah, let's lower the car down and then I'm gonna get that front beam out. So this bar is out too. Yeah, that's just how far you need to get it at least. I'm gonna take these out now too, and then we're gonna install the PLM bar in the front. We'll see how this is holding up. We'll see how we get that done. So guys, that is it for today. We got a bunch of stuff done. We removed the front bar, exhaust, shifter, mount here, this mount, all the other stuff too. So we got a bunch of stuff done in the time. My next video is going to be, we're going to install the PLM front bar. I'll probably get this stuff here ready, a little bit sanded, a little bit buffed up, a little bit sprayed. And the same like here, we're gonna all get this prepped for the engine mounts. And the next plan is, once the front sway bar is in and the engine mounts, everything is prepped, we're gonna drop the engine in here. We're gonna tag it on 2 spots here. We're gonna tag this one holder here in the back. We'll take everything out, weld everything so it's good, and then put the engine back in place. But yeah, it's coming along. Pretty excited to get this thing started up and cranked. There's still a lot of stuff I need to do. I still haven't figured out what I'm gonna do with the brake lines. I'll maybe get some new ones from I seen at Hush Performance. I seen the he's make some brake kits for it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out.